All right, it's time to replace out the air filter on the Corolla. Fortunately, it's a simple process requiring no tools. Let's get started. All right, fortunately, no tools are going to be required for the air filter replacement. Historically, I've always had great experiences with both Wick and Purolator 1 air filters. For this particular install, I'm going to be using the Purolator 1 A11479 air filter. I'll put a link of this specific filter in the description below. All right, first step is to pull the hood latch located underneath the dash. Second step is to slide the latch to the left to release the hood. Okay, and let's secure the hood latch. Next, we're going to release the two latches on the airbox. All right, keep in mind that there are two tabs located on the left side of the airbox. And let's remove the air filter. And note the position of the filter with the pleat side down. All right, and here's a comparison. The old one is on the left and the new one is on the right. And next, just remove any debris that might be within the airbox. All right, next, let's insert the new air filter into the box. All right, insert the two tabs on the top of the lid. Press down and close the latches. That's it. If you like what you see, please click like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.